All right, everyone, super easy ring install guide. Glue, applicator, and our rings right here. Here's what we do. We're gonna put the glue, first we unscrew it, we flip the top over, and we puncture the top of the glue. Then we squeeze a little bit of glue out, we grab it with the fine tip applicator, and then we put it on the tweeter itself. We're gonna put 3 or 4 dabs around the perimeter of the tweeter itself. If it's already in your Jeep, this is just as easy. So we do that. Keep it clean. If the good news about this stuff is it peels if you get it. If you make a mess, you can peel it up, and we'll talk about that in just a second. That's why we're using this adhesive. It's automotive stuff. We've been using it for decades. But we also include a couple toothpicks. If you make a mess, it picks right up. So we put the glue on. You got about 45 seconds. So we drop our ring on. We push our ring down. It's a perfect fit already. And then we give it a little turn. Just a little turn, like a 30-degree turn. And then we do not touch them for an hour. Even if you're already in your Jeep, don't touch them for an hour. That glue needs to set up. And then if you make a little schmutz, it comes out here on the side. That's totally fine. If you touch it immediately, you will make a giant mess and it's gonna suck. Wait an hour. It'll peel right up in a perfect line. We use this in a million applications. That is how it works. So it's super easy. Just knock it out. So that is it. Rock on.